Hello students, welcome to my online class. In this session, we will continue your exercise 5.1. Okay, 14th question now. Discuss the continuity of the function f where f is defined by. So, define so f of x equal to 3. So, where this x lies between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 that function is defined by 3. Constant function. Okay, so f of x equal to 4 if 1 less than x less than 3. So 1 but 3 but that function is defined by f of x equal to 4. Again, it is a constant function. It is also continuous function. F of x equal to 5 if 3 less than equal to x less than equal to 10. So again, 5 is the function. Again, it is a constant function. First year first introduction class polynomial functions, constant functions, trigonometric functions, rational functions, or continuous functions. The graph first class okay, this fruit nodi. Now we will check the continuity of this function 0.8, 1, 3, and 10. Check okay. Solution at x equal to 0. So at a particular point you check x less than equal to 3. Okay. So limit of f of x and x tends to 0. There is limit extending the function. Let's say is given by limit of 3 as x tends to 0. That value is 3 only, constant function. Then what is the value of f of 0 equals any function? 300. So limit of the function equal to value of the function. LHL define 0 to RHL 0 to define 3 okay, so particular condition first definition limit of the function equal to value of the function that function is continuous. So therefore limit of f of x as x tends to 0 equals to value of the function. F of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Because RHL should define LHL define like 0. Okay. Next one condition. Next point 1. Okay, case 1 and the case 2 next at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1 LHL define RHL define. So LHL that equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus equal to limit of 1 in the define 3 in the define. This is 3 as x tends to 1 minus this constant function. The constant function you input the value 3 map out. Okay. What about RHL value? So limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus 1 define 1 define 4 of the define. So this is 4 as x tends to 1 plus. So again it is a constant function. So you will put another 4 constant function definition f of x equal to c and you will put another code. C map first constant function. Okay. The value of the function unequal not equal, these two are. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus not equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus. This is 3 is 4 so equal limit does not exist. Limit does not exist means what? Function is discontinuous. Means so f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is function discontinuous. So at a point x equal to 3 check next at x equal to 3. 3 gain LHL and RHL define so LHL at a point x equal to 3 limit of f of x as x tends to 3 minus limit of 3 to the define 3 in the 4 the different 4x tends to 3 minus again it's a constant function. You input in another daily map agata 4 gram map. What about r actually? This is limit of f of x as x tends to 3 plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 3 ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 3 ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ 5. Limit of f of x means value is 5 as x tends to 3 plus. If this value is 5, constant function. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ LHS value 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ, RHS value 5 ಬಂದಿದೆ, so ಎರಡು equal ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So therefore limit of f of x as x tends to 3 minus not equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 3 plus. So ಎರಡು equal ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Hence f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 ಗೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು discontinuous. So ಈಗ 10 ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, 10 ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ LHS ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, RHS ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು at x equal to 10. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ RHS ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ 10 ಗೆ, at point 10 ಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ x ಗೆ 10 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ f of x as x tends to 0, sorry 10, this equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 0 ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, 10 ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This value is 5 and what is f of 10? value of the function ಇದೆ equal to 10 ಇದೆ, ಇದು 5 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is 5. So both are same. Limit of f of x as x tends to 10 equal to value of the function at x equal to 10. Hence f of x is continuous at x equal to 10. Our ಕೇಳೋದೇನು? Discuss the continuity function ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. So the point of discontinuity are ಯಾವ point of discontinuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? At a point x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. So this function is continuous at x equal to 0 and x equal to 10. Okay, not next 15th one. F of x equal to 2x if x less than 0, 0 if 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1, 4x if x greater than 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ x less than 0 ಏನಿದೆ? 2x ಇದೆ, ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. and x greater than 0 ಏನಿದೆ? 0 ಇದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. x less than 1 ಏನಿದೆ? 0 ಇದೆ, constant function again it is continuous. X greater than 1 is 4x is polynomial function continuous. So we have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Let's try over here. Okay, at x equal to 0. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? LHS limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus 0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 2x. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2x as x tends to 0 minus this equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು? This was 2 into 0. This is 0. What about RHS? Limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus this equals to limit of 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು ಏನಿದೆ? 0 ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ x tends to 0 plus. So ಇದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ನೀವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? f of 0 ಗೆ f of 0. ಸೊ f of 0 ಗೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ 0. ಸೊ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. therefore limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus equal to value of the function. So hence f of x is continuous. Hence f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. Similarly, we have to check at x equal to 1. Not at x equal to 1. LHL limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus. This equal to limit of 1 into 0. So this is 0 as x tends to 1 minus. Again, it is a constant function. This value is 0 only. Okay. What about RHL? Limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus 1 can just 4x define. So limit of 4x as x tends to 1 plus x is 1 up to 4 into 1 is 4. So LHL value 0 is RHL value 4 there. Therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus not equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus. Therefore, hence f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 1. The point of discontinuity is x equal to 1. So x equal to 0 function continuous at x equal to 1 function discontinuous. Okay, now so next one, 16th one, f of x equal to minus 2 if x less than equal to minus 1, 2x if minus 1 less than x less than equal to 1, 2 if x greater than 1. Okay, so x less than minus 1 with the minus 2 is a constant function continuous. X greater than minus 1 the 2x is a polynomial function continuous. X less than 1 2x is a polynomial function continuous. X greater than 1 2 is a math function constant function continuous. So we have to check the continuity of this function at a point x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. Let's check one more. Okay, solution at x equal to minus 1 के check ಮಾಡಿ. LHL RHL define ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So LHL ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to minus 1 minus 1 ಇದನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದು. So this value is limit of minus 1 ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದು minus 2 ಇದೆ. Constant function ಇದು. X tends to minus 1 minus 2 is a constant function. This value is minus 2 only. Okay. What about RHL? Limit of f of x as x tends to minus 1 plus minus 1 is jasty. This value is limit of this is the minus 1 just a 2x there. 2x as x tends to minus 1 plus x by x is minus 1 2 into minus 1, this value is minus 2. Okay, so what is the value of this function at x equal to minus 1? Minus the length, this value is minus 2. So more value equal to therefore, limit of f of x as x tends to minus 1 minus equal to limit of f of x as x tends to minus 1 plus equal to f of minus 1. More equal like that, hence f of x is continuous at x equal to minus 1. So you can continuous. So next check for x equal to 1 at x equal to 1. LHL limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus 1 is the 2x is there. So limit of 2x as x tends to 1 minus. Now x ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 into 1, this value is 2. Okay. What was the RHL? Limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus 1 can just constant function 2 is this is the limit of 2 as x tends to 1 plus, so this then what is the value of f of x at x equal to 1? X equal to 1 is value 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 1 this is 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು equal to therefore limit of f of x as x tends to 1 minus equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 1 plus equal to f of 1. So more valuable. LHL value 2 by 2, RHL value is 2, f of 1 is 2. So hence f of x is continuous at x equal to 1. Okay. Not right. Next one, 17th one. Find the relationship between A and B. So here we find the relationship between A and B so that the function f defined by f of x equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3, bx plus 3 if x greater than 3 then is continuous at x equal to 3. This function is continuous at x equal to 3. So for that we have to find the relation between A and B. Okay, so particular point is 3 get solution. Integral x less than 3 find x less than 3. So f of x is ax plus 1. This is a polynomial function. Find x greater than 3. So f of x is there. Bx plus 1. Both are polynomial functions. At x equal to 3 check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. So LHL ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Limit of f of x as x tends to 3 minus this equal to 3 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Limit of ax plus 1 as x tends to 3 minus x ದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 3a plus 1 ಆಯ್ತು. Okay. RHL ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Limit of f of x as x tends to 3 plus 3 ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು 3 ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. Limit of bx plus 1 as x tends to 3 plus. There x ನ 3 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. 3b plus 3 sorry 3 ಇದೆ. 3b plus 3. So already put together this function is continuous and since f of x is continuous at x equal to 3 then limit of f of x as x tends to 3 minus equal to limit of f of x x tending to 3 plus 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. 3a equal to 3b plus 3 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 3a equal to 3b plus 2 3 minus 1. 3 ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ a equal to 3b plus 2 divided by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise a equal to 3b by 3 plus 2 by 3 3 cancel a equal to b plus 2 by 3 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. So this is the relation between a and b. Okay, not next 18th one. For what value of lambda is the function defined by f of x equal to lambda into x square minus 2x if x less than equal to 0, 4x plus 1 if x greater than 0, continuous at x equal to 0. For what value of lambda this function is continuous at x equal to 0 ಹೇಳಿದಾನೆ. But same continue ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what about continuity of at x equal to 1? So ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ continuity ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ f of x. Okay. Solution ನೋಡಿ. At x equal to 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So LHL ಏನಿದೆ limit of f of x as x tends to 0 minus that function is given by limit of 0 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ lambda into x square minus 2x x tends to 0 minus. So here lambda is the constant function, keep it outside. This equals to lambda into limit of x square minus 2x as x tends to 0 minus. So x is directly 0 completed. Lambda into 0 square is 0 minus 2x into 2 into 0 is 0. Lambda into 0 okay. So this value is 0. So what about RHL? So RHL is lambda nil for polynomial function is RHL limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus that equals to limit of f of x in there 4x plus 1 in there as x tends to 0 plus x therefore 0 completed 4 into 0 is 0 0 plus 1 is 0. So here LHL value RHL value equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ lambda value ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ for no value of lambda this function is continuous at x equal to 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬರಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 1 ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ f of x x tends to 0 minus not equal to limit of f of x as x tends to 0 plus. Therefore for no value of lambda f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Continuous agada for no value of lambda. This condition lambda is 0 lambda ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ lambda into 1 ಇದೆ lambda ಬಂದು x lambda equal to 1 ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ lambda ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so for no value of lambda this function is continuous at x equal to 0. Next we have to check the continuity of this function at x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is x greater than 0. X greater than 0 is a polynomial function. Okay. When x greater than 0, f of x is what? 4x plus 1. Okay. This is a continuous model. Is a polynomial function. Is a polynomial function. Therefore, f of x is continuous for x greater than 0. So x greater than 0 ಎಲ್ಲ function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ continuous ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Hence, f of x is continuous at x equal to 0, sorry x equal to 1 for any value of lambda. So x equal to 0 x greater than 0 x greater than 0 ಇಲ್ಲಲೇ ಇದೆ function 4x plus 1 ಇದೆ. So for any value of lambda so f of x continuous at x equal to 1. Okay. Next 19th question. Show that the function is defined by g of x equal to x minus square bracket x. This means greatest integer function which is less than or equal to the value of x. Greatest integer function. Okay. Is discontinuous at all integral points. Already namge greatest integer function to graph ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. Okay. This is given by like this. Okay. So greatest integer function ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪೆನ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ f of 1.1 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ 1.1 ಹಿಂದಿನ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಯಾವುದು 1. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ f of -1.1 ಇದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ -2. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ LHL RHL ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ LHL ಕೂಡ RHL ಆಗೋದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಲೆಟ್ C be any integer. ಒಂದು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ LHL ಕೂಡ RHL ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ LHL LHL ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ g of x is a function C minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ C ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್. This equal to limit of x minus greatest integer x as x tends to C minus. For example, C minus C ಅನ್ನೋನು 1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ C minus ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ means 0.9. C ಗಿಂತ 1 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 0.9. ಸೊ 0.9 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ C ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ C minus 1 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದ್ದು 0 ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದ್ದು 0.9 0 ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು C ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ C ಇಲ್ಲಿ C minus ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ C minus 1 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. C minus ನೀವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ C minus C minus minus plus ಆಗಿ C get cancelled. This value is 1. What about RHL? RHL equal to limit of g of x as x tends to C plus C is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. Limit of so g of x is x minus greater than x is x tends to C plus. So this equals to x will C minus ಎಷ್ಟೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ C plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು x C equal 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಾನು C plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನೇಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 1.1 ಗೆ. ಸೊ 1.1 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ C ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು C ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ C get cancelled. This value is 0. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, therefore limit of g of x as x tends to C minus not equal to limit of g of x as x tends to C plus. Therefore g of x is discontinuous at all integral points. Okay. Now next question. Is the function defined by f of x equal to x square minus sin x plus 5 is continuous at x equal to 5 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ equal to ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. So f of limit of function is limit of f of x as x tends to 5. So this equals to limit of f of x is there x square minus sin x plus as x tends to 5. Okay, this equals to, so x will pi pi square minus sin pi plus 5. So this equal to pi square as it is minus sin pi sin 180 is 0 plus 5. This is pi square plus 5. Then value of function f of pi equal to directly pi square minus sin pi plus 5. Again pi square which is sin 180 is 0 plus 5. This is pi square plus 5. Therefore limit of f of x as x tends to pi equal to the value of the function at x equal to pi. Hence f of x is continuous at x equal to pi. Okay. Now next question. Discuss the continuity of the following functions. So a f of x equal to sin x plus cos x, b f of x equal to sin x minus cos x, and c f of x equal to sin x into cos x. So already theorem one study ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. If f and g are two real numbers continuous at a real number c, then f plus g is also continuous at c, f minus g is also continuous at c, and f into g is also continuous at c, f by g is also continuous at c. Already theorem 1 already study ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, so using theorem 1 solution, let g of x equal to sin x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ and h of x equal to cos x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. since sin x and cos x are continuous functions. Already trigonometric functions have continuous functions. ಇವೆರಡು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆ, sin ಮತ್ತು cos ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. These two functions are continuous functions. Okay. So first one ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Hence f of x equal to sin x plus cos x is also a continuous function. Is also a continuous function because by theorem 1 v equal to sin x minus cos x. So sin ಮತ್ತು ಎರಡು continuous function, the difference of two continuous function is also continuous function. ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, continuous function. And see f of x equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin x into cos x ಇದೆ. So ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ continuous function. ಇದು also this also continuous function by theorem. Okay, ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.